simple dish, that vegetables which we take from our backside of the house. I will show you what is the main ingredients for the simple dish. Okay, see here, it's almost, we take it from the backside. See this one, eggplant, very fresh, and just one small okra, and this one is kavatiki, the leaf is of sponge gourd, and this one is the long bean. See here, it's also very fresh. Everything is from our backside, and I will show you the other one. And this one, see, okay, see, this is the tip and the leaf of the long bean. And everything we take it from the backside of the house only. See, very fresh how it is. See, and this one also the leaf of the long bean only. See here, this one also a little bit big, and this one the tip of that one. See how it is, very fresh. Let us finish up everything, and we will cook how they are making, and we will show. Okay, the tip of the leaves. Very fresh, right? Now the tips of the and the leaves of long bean is boiled, and we need to squeeze it like this. Then we have to mix in this bagoong. It's a salted sauce, and then later we need to add some vinegar also in this one. See, it's nicely cooked. You can see that. It's almost everything squeezed and mixed nicely in the bagoong, like this. See how it's fresh. Okay, done. It's prepared, guys. Let's eat. Okay, I'll show you the dish. See, this is the long bean, and everything is mixed with this one, and then this is the fresh long bean, and this one is a fresh tamarind. See, and also the leaves of the tips, long bean, everything has been mixed. Let me taste the soup first. It's very hot. I can taste the sourness nicely. Yes, fresh tamarind has been mixed. It's very tasty when it is outside. It's too much raining, and if you see, there's also a sour taste. It's very tasty. I can taste this one also. And let me taste the long bean. It's crunchy and also not too much boiled. It's very tasty. Like this in the soup, you can feel the real taste of the long bean. And I will show you the one which they squeeze the leaves of the long bean and the tips. See, it's almost mixed with this one, and also the little bit vinegar also mixed. Let me taste this one also. The bagoong and the taste of the vinegar, it's nicely tasted. A little bit salty, but not too much. The leaf is very fresh, tasty. I can feel it. Let me taste with this one. See, this one is bagoong with the chili they mix. for the sour, I mean for the spiciness. If you want, you can taste it, this one. Now I will eat with the rice. Okay. It's very healthy when you eat with this one like this. And then I will add some along in the soup, everything. See the okra and eggplant, okra, everything is nicely cooked. I will take this one also. Sometimes I don't like too much okra because it is like a sticky one. That's why I will eat this. Okay, let me first taste this one. I will eat with the rice. You eat with the rice, mixing this one, the sourness with the mixture of the rice. It's very tasty, and the salt, sourness, everything it mixed together. It gives a different flavor. You can feel the real taste of the okra, leaves, the plant, everything cooked nicely also. This one I will eat with the rice without mixing with the soup. It's very tasty. Very good soup. Bring the soup. Nice. After eating the rice, I just one eating very tasty chili. You can see the hotness. I like this one more because sourness I like too much. Very tasty. And I don't want to take this one. See, I'm listen. Stop, man. Sorry. That's why I won't drink that. Sorry guys. Okay. I hope everyone enjoyed the episode with me. And I will show you another dish next week. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. God bless everyone. Bye.